Yo, what's up? It's me again. In honor of the furnace getting a rework, I'm gonna be using it in the deck I used yesterday. This was the deck I used yesterday. If you guys want to use it or not. So we're just gonna be playing a normal 1v1, right? I got low level cards, so that's pretty much it. I do have background music. I'll probably just turn that down so it doesn't disturb the audio much. This is tough right here. And I'm lagging, but it's fine, it's fine. I'm getting used to it now. The lag a little bit. I'm not gonna use it at all. It's kind of hard not to lie. But, I mean, we'll probably get used to it eventually. Do not kill it. Oh my god, I stayed alive at 1 HP, man. I think that's good, right? Oh, that's good, right? Good defense right here. And I kind of messed it up. See what he does, though. See what he has. Mega Knight. Well, of course, of course. Might just furnace here. That should kill it all, right? Perfect. Perfect defense right there. Perfect. Clean. Okay. I'm lagging. Okay, I got so scared. Was that smart? Probably not. Was it the best choice? Again, probably not. Oh, and I'm scared again. I got probability right here. That was horrible, horrible, horrible right there. I think I played my snowball wrong. I thought I was going to get kited. Right here. We're really low on elixir here, but I think he's also low on elixir right here. He just gave me a plus value right there. He might just Mega Knight on this if he has enough. He seems like the type of person who would. Or not. What? I just really gotta defend for now, I think. Holy shit! How much damage did that do? No, who was gonna connect on tower? That's fine. Oh, I lagged so hard right here. I'm lagging so hard, bro. Actually, impossible to play. I'm wasting my log here. Hold up. I might have messed up. This might actually be good right here. Not the best, not the worst also. I'm lagging so damn hard, bro. I don't know if my hands are just sweaty or am I lagging, because I can't tell the difference, if I'm being honest. No, why? Okay, I was about to say, I'm lagging too hard, bro. I'm lagging so hard. Bro, this deck is actually kind of crazy sometimes. Like, I should not be doing that with this deck right here. Oh my goodness, I won with the lag. I won with the lag, bro. This deck is actually kind of crazy. What the fuck? The Furnace is probably not the best, but this deck comeback ability once, I guess, make a mistake. That Golden Knight just saves you, bro. I have no idea how I won that. But holy shit, in honor of the Furnace getting a rework, we played it in the deck. But, you know, hey, it is what it is, man. We won, you know. Pretty fire. And GG's to this dude. He's probably gone already, but GG's.